2024 Diwali Assembly.
Diwali is a major festival in India that celebrates the victory of good over evil. This year, Diwali takes place from October 31st to November 4th.
There's many reasons as to why people celebrate Diwali. One popular story is the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after rescuing his wife Sita by defeating the demon king Ravana. To welcome Rama back, people celebrated his return by lighting oil lamps, aka diyas, and bursting fireworks, symbolizing the triumph of light over darkness.
Diwali is a 5-day celebration and it starts with Dhanteras, which marks the beginning of Diwali and is dedicated to wealth and prosperity. People clean and decorate their homes, purchase new utensils or gold, and perform prayers for health and wellness.
The second day is called Choti Diwali, commemorates the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon Narakasura. People wake up early, take cleansing baths, and light lamps to symbolize the dispelling of darkness over evil. Firecrackers are also commonly lit during the celebration.
Diwali, also known as Lakshmi Puja, is the main festival day and involves worshiping Goddess Lakshmi for wealth and prosperity. Families gather for prayers, decorate their homes with lights and rangoli, and share sweets and gifts. Fireworks light up the night sky, marking the joy for the occasion.
Then there is Godardhan Puja or Annakut. The 4th day celebrates Lord Krishna lifting the Govardhan hill to protect villagers from torrential rains. Devotees prepare a mountain of food offerings called an Annakut and perform prayers. This day emphasizes gratitude for nature's bounty.
And the final day is called Bhai Dooj, which honors the bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters pray for their brothers' well-being, and brothers give gifts in return. And this day strengthens family ties and symbolizes love and protection.
Diwali is celebrated all over the world. So approximately 1 billion people celebrate in India, 4 million in the US, and 500,000 in Australia. People celebrate by lighting candles, setting off fireworks or sparklers, and create rangoli, which are floral decorations.
Now, to show some of our culture, the Desi Club has a Bollywood dance they've been working hard on, so please give it up for our dancers.